Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rabya and today's video is a really special video for me because this is my official entry into the James Charles casting call. I really am excited for this opportunity, so thank you so much for watching and thank you so much to James for this opportunity. I honestly feel like manifesting might actually work because at the beginning of November I manifested that my YouTube channel will grow and I will do everything in my power to make it grow, and so this just seemed like a sign, a blessing, and everything. So thank you so much again for watching, and if you would like to kind of see how to get this makeup look and also get to know me a little bit better, just keep on watching. My eyes, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette today, and I've already started creating my crease with the shade Coastline and Monte Carlo mixed in, and now I'm going to go into the shade Canes and start deepening up the outer corner. So my name is, once again, just Rabya. I am from sunny Los Angeles in Southern California, and I am 27 years old. I've been doing YouTube for about 2.5, going on 3 years in March, and this has been such a beautiful journey for me to start. I'm going to go into the shade Mediterranean in the palette. I'm just going to pack that everywhere I just apply that concealer. And so a little bit more about why I started my YouTube channel. I actually wanted to start YouTube a lot earlier than I did. I just always second guessed myself a lot. I thought, oh, I'm not pretty enough, because that's something I grew up hearing. I thought, like, am I even talented enough? And then finally, like 2.5 years ago, I told myself, like, this is the best version of yourself, like, and all you can do is grow. And if you want to do something like this, because it was such a passion of mine, like, you just have to do it. Like, you can't keep second guessing yourself. You have to be your biggest fan and then go into this. And so that's why I started. It mostly was personally, like, just I had a passion for makeup and I wanted to be a content creator. And then secondly, I always didn't feel like super represented in the community. I am a Pakistani American, and although there is so much now, thankfully, beautiful diversity in the community, I just didn't feel like there was enough of a Pakistani voice. So I was like, okay, like, instead of complaining about it, like, I wish there was more, I was like, I'm Pakistani, I enjoy doing makeup, like, why don't I just create a channel that fulfills the needs that I wish? Because of the way that my mom raised me, I feel like I never took makeup like a crutch. Again, I mentioned a little bit earlier, like, I was bullied for my looks in my, like, when I was younger, and I wanted to start wearing makeup, and my mom was always like, well, like, if you don't, like, if people think you're not pretty enough, like, be kinder, be smarter, like, you're always more than just your looks. And so because of that, like, she didn't want us to, like, start wearing makeup until a little later. And even when we did start wearing makeup, like, we weren't allowed to really wear it to parties and stuff. Like, it was more so like something I would work on at home and just practice with, and I'm really grateful for that. I wanted to just quickly talk about what this opportunity would mean for me. Again, I would love to be a representative of my community, which is like Pakistani American, like people with dual like backgrounds, people who, like, I'm trying to always like work with being my Pakistani traditions and my Pakistani culture, mixing it and fusing it with my American side. So I would love to just be able to like stand for that. And then just, this is such a passion for me, like, that I would love to like even learn. Being an educator, like helping people make educated buying decisions, helping people make educated like makeup placement. So that's just something, and I feel like in order to be a good educator, you always have to be willing to learn, and I feel like this would be a great opportunity to learn from people in the industry that are making it really well. So with that, I'm just really quickly going to finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, and that completes this makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed kind of seeing how I got it done. You can check out any of my other videos to see how in-depth I go into my tutorials. I do, again, enjoy educating. And I wanted to say thank you so much for spending 5 minutes of your day with me today to get to know me a little bit better. And I want to thank James's team and James for giving us smaller influencers on YouTube this huge opportunity. If you would like to see me in the competition, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with a friend. And you can also follow me on Instagram. It is at rabsbeauty. And with that, you guys, I really hope everyone else that is entering a lot of good luck, and I cannot wait to watch the show. And again, thank you so much for being here with me today. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Bye.